Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you want to change the country on your Roblox app? Well, if you do, then this video is made for you. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your country on Roblox app. Now, without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Roblox app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Roblox app, you'll be on the home page. From the home page on the below, you can see about 5 icons. On the very end, you can see 3 dots. You'll have to tap on the 3 dots. Once you have tapped on the 3 dots, you could go to your settings, and on the settings menu, you would be able to see option change your country. But now, due to the new update that Roblox has made, you can no longer change your country from your settings. So I will guide you guys on a different tutorial on how to change your country on Roblox app. So from now, here you will have to go on the option help. Once you have tapped on help, you'll be directed towards a page. From here, you can see various options. Here you'll have to scroll all the way down, and on the third last option, you can see contact us. Simply tap on contact us. Then you'll be directed towards a help page. Once again, you'll have to scroll all the way down to technical issue questions. And on the technical issue questions, you can see general website issues located on the third last option. Once again, tap on it. And once you're on the general website issues page, we'll be scrolling down. And once you scroll all the way down, here you can see option need more help and contact support here. Tap on the contact support here. Then you'll have to type in the birth date and log in into your Roblox application. Then here you'll have to type in your contact information. Type in your username, your email address, confirm your email address, and we'll get into the issue details later. For now, type in your username and your email address. And once you're done with filling out your contact information, scroll down to issue details. On the issue details option, here you'll have to select the device. On the second option, there is type help category. From here, tap on technical support. And on the second box, you will have to select specific experience issue that is located on the third option. Then on the description box, type in how to change my country. Once you're done with that, tap on the submit button. And you'll receive an email from customer service in a few days. And just like that, I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.